Do you rent in Alaska? While we know there's a relatively small population in Alaska, especially compared to the size of the state, there are many renters. In fact, according to the United States Census Bureau, there are 58,000 renters in Alaska. The part that makes us nervous is that many renters in Alaska do not have renter's insurance, even though there's a theft of property in Alaska every 30 minutes. And let's not forget about the fires that happen every 85 seconds and how long it can take for your local fire department to respond based on how remote your apartment could be. That means renters just like you are coming home to catastrophe with no protection. That is why, from Juneau to Fairbanks, Alaska Renters Insurance from Effective Coverage keeps you safe at a minimal cost. The good news is that Alaska Renters Insurance is very affordable. While the average policy, according to the Insurance Information Institute, is going to cost $171 a year, policies sold by Effective Coverage will typically cost less. Now, one thing we know for sure is that folks from Alaska are tough people. One look at the mountains and you know to live here, you have to be tough. But tough does not mean you should make bad decisions. You live on the edge in Alaska and you have to protect yourself with affordable Alaska Renters Insurance. Alaska Renters Insurance comes with many different coverages, but they can all be boiled down really into three main groups or categories on your policy. The first is personal liability insurance. This is the part that protects you should you cause bodily injury or property damage to another. Let's say that you caused a fire, you left a candle unattended, or you caused one of the nearly 200,000 cooking fires that happens every year. This policy will pay to defend you and the damages you cause other tenants, even the building owner. Next is personal property coverage. Things like your furniture, your clothing, and even your electronics would all need to be replaced in the event of a fire or a natural catastrophe. Earthquake coverage can even be added to your policy for extra protection. An Alaska Renters Insurance policy is exactly what you will need if that happens. Last piece of coverage on your policy is loss of use. We took a quick skim over popular websites to see what it might cost to stay in a hotel, and it can be tough. In some locations, accommodations are limited, and if there is an event that impacts your neighbors and you, the price of a hotel could go way up. Loss of use coverage on your renter's insurance policy will pay for that hotel stay after a covered loss. Now, here's the good news. You can have all the insurance you need in less than 5 minutes from right now. There's only one full-service insurance provider in the country dedicated specifically to renters, and that is Effective Coverage for Renters. Just call Effective Coverage and speak with one of our insurance experts, or visit our website and purchase your Alaska Renters Insurance policy right there. Thanks for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.